I made these earrings.
Oh, you have a brand?
So I just make earrings because
You like it.
I like it, and my father's a jeweler. I make these earrings because I feel like I want to wear things that I feel I can wear with my normal clothes. मुझे एक तो, and I have noticed this has happened to me personally. I bought like I have touched the access to best of the brands nationally, internationally, and whenever I have bought something which is like a earring, I have danced at a party.
And निकल गए.
और फिर एक ही earring बाकी है. I have been at a National Day parade in New York. न्यूयॉर्क था कि न्यू जर्सी था, याद नहीं मुझे, बट I was wearing another branded, not taking names, branded earring. And I just felt like I want to make stuff which I feel like, A, they're secure. I can party in them. I can sleep in them. I don't want to constantly take out my jewelry. Because I am anyway working in a profession. मुझे हर 2 मिनट अपना सब कुछ change करना पड़ता है for a look.
Yeah.
तो मैंने decide किया कि I don't want to keep changing things when I'm personally dressing up. And I feel like normal कपड़ों के लिए मैंने देखा ही नहीं यहाँ पर अच्छी ज्वेलरी. It all looks like we still have an Indian influence in jewelry, which if you're wearing a salwar kameez, or wearing an anarkali, or you're wearing a sari, it works. But अभी मैं ऐसे कपड़ों में कहाँ से, like you know, उसमें भी एक थोड़ा floral motif आएगा जो Indian होगा.
वो कैसे पहनो?
So so I feel like I started creating stuff
Designs
which is my own. Now I feel like at some point when I want to, I will definitely want to make a brand out of this, because I actually am first finding out what I want out of jewelry.
That's how actually businesses are made.
Okay.
Like that's
So
how
maybe this
every
is the
business
place
should be made.
I just had like a moment where I'm like,
No, you
this is
should do
something
it.
that and I've been doing this right now. Most of the jewelry I've been wearing, I've been making on my own, and I'm just enjoying the fact that I'm actually wearing something that is comfortable, is all these things proof. Like you should be able to sleep in it, you should be able to party in it, and something that goes with elevates casual clothes, because normally I don't dress up in gowns. I'm going to an event means I'll dress up in a gown, but ऐसे तो I will not, you know.
But you should do it.
Yeah.
It'll work. It's right time to do jewelry and stuff.
I also feel like ये शायद I don't know आपके साथ कैसा हुआ, because आपने तो already ये सब काफ़ी कुछ achieve कर लिया है in your field of work. I just feel like it's very important to build your taste, like build what you think, build what your ideas and ideologies are around things before you actually make a brand. Because I feel like sometimes the bigger problem is not what to do, but is
why you're doing it.
Is what does it stand for? What
Why
does it
you're doing
mean?
it.
Why you're doing it? Yeah, exactly. Why you're doing it, and also just the ability to detail anything has to be coming from a fully experienced thought, and that comes from life experience. So I feel like just building that actually is the real way of becoming a creator. And for me, that naturally happened because मैंने इतना वक्त बिताया, and I've been a muse for very long
time.
I've spent a good 17 years of my life being a muse to various brands, or to various different kind of brands. And I feel like पहले उनका वो क्या करना चाह रहे हैं and कौन succeed हुए is also a thing, right? Like you have to see the ones who have actually made it and the ones who haven't been able to make it. It's when the thought is very fleshed out in your head, I feel like that's when it translates.
I partly agree and partly disagree.
Yeah, sure.
So,
see, you've done a lot of it, so I
no, not a lot of it. I'm also learning. I think I partly agree इसलिए कि why बहुत important होता है.
जी.
Right? But हर किसी का why दुनिया change करना या मेरा life experience कुछ करना वो नहीं हो सकता. It can be as simple as पैसे कमाने.
Sure.
It can be as simple as बोर हो गया कुछ नया करना है.
Yeah.
और भी like यार मैंने देखा दूसरों का चल रहा था, मैंने सोचा मैं भी कर लेता हूँ, मे बी life better हो जाएगी.
Correct.
बहुत simple. But staying true to that why is very important.
Yeah.
So जो भी है वो like brand start करो तो लिखो कि हाँ मैं इसलिए कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ तो मुझे एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट मार्केट गैप दिखा जहाँ पे मुझे लगता है कि दुनिया में लोगों को प्रॉब्लम है और ये मेरे प्रोडक्ट से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी क्योंकि
Correct.
मेरी प्रॉब्लम थी। और यहाँ तो मुझे लगता है कि यार इससे पैसे बनेंगे तो पैसे बनाना चाहता हूँ।
Yeah.
लाइक इट कैन बी एनीथिंग, जस्ट बी ट्रू टू इट। सो दैट्स व्हाई आई अग्री कि होना चाहिए।
Yeah.
पर आई थिंक जब आप काम करना स्टार्ट करते हो, एटलीस्ट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, आपकी आइडियोलॉजीज फिर बनती है।
Right.
मतलब आप नो मैटर हु यू वांट टू बिकम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, यू विल लर्न एवरीथिंग और तुम सारी आइडियोलॉजीज तुम्हारी सब बन जाएगी।
अगर ऐसे और भी बहुत इंसाइटफुल शॉर्ट्स और क्लिप्स देखनी है तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो।